Okay, so we're going to extend our understanding within this chapter for differentiating trig functions. So far, we're going to take a closer look at how we differentiate tan of a certain function. Like in this case, the question reads, find the derivative of tan of 2x minus 3 with respect to x. How are we going to differentiate tan of 2x minus 3 with respect to x? This is quite interesting. Or what you need to do, you need to recall that. You need to recall that using the chain rule, that if y is equivalent to tan of f of x, right? To find dy dx is very simple, right? Or what you have to do, you have to find the derivative. So in this case, our dy dx is equivalent to, so you have to find the derivative of f of x. You need to find the derivative of f of x, right? Once you get the derivative of f of x, then you multiply by sec squared f of x. Okay? So the derivative of f of x, by the end of the day, it gives us f of x prime times sec squared f of x. Okay, so then the next thing that we have to do here now, like in this case, we have the derivative of tan of 2x minus 3. So the derivative of tan of 2x minus 3 is equivalent to, so the first thing that we have to do, we need to find the derivative of 2x minus 3. Once we have the derivative of 2x minus 3, we then multiply by sec squared of 2x minus 3. So the derivative of 2x minus 3, straight away it gives us 2 times sec squared of 2x minus 3. That will be our final solution. This is very interesting. I think you've seen how we differentiate a tan of a certain function. Simply multiply that function, simply calculate the derivative of that function. Once you have the derivative of that function, then multiply by sec squared of f of x, and you get the result. As you see here, we started by calculating the derivative of 2x minus 3, and we managed to get 2, and we multiply 2 by sec squared of 2x minus 3. So yes, that's how we differentiate tan of a certain function. Awesome.